Julie, someone comes on, Juxa. Julie to everyone. Yeah, Ju. The name. Someone comes on, Juxa. Oh, yeah. Tani dadring. Sakal the way. Sespa. Chubji. Intigu Ju. Somba song. Tani da. Oh. Alda pechik mata. Izuk tsartinogli. Alda pechik da. Chidichin. Alda pechik. Tsarki nog. Tani tamatang. Deja shukan nangshin la. Oh, sakal dawa zekan bo. Tani bungil dawa. Mata tani gewasana. Chik mani chik tona tani mani. Lak chik tona kamsok shikale. Tani mampo pela nopale multiply chano. Tani chik dikpa chik sana dikpa mampo chik multiply chano le. Somba sang ilda zik kadar choko shes bu kakchani nok yangshkir singina mulla. Izuk remind just in. Yeah, Ju tani tsangma kamsang yuchi sirwa yut. Mamara chik chagin. Komspa sal taksa zik workout put zik masarit bin. Workout put sartani gyospa bantang siyons bin. Oh, yeah, barbarianzik. Busy lose to Yanjik. Izugrik. Chosrik Jogoshes, the enemy Mamboji, Jua Yonduk. Izugrik. Chosrik Jogoshes, Shmuari Tangoshes, Smalam Silgoshes, so the Nisumbasan. It's a picture barbaria. Busy lose took in Antajik. Ilda Ketanam. Something on the Anjingata. Chosik Jona, some tip in. The name of the Chunju Putiskila, no Chunju in Nanyang. The name is Zopeliu, Pantochen Sur, Zopeliu thing, Yamana, Zapishik, then usually, Zupo, Galopo, Yamana, Kena, some say, oh, yeah, the news of Pelio is a picture, Yamana, Titan, some Titanale, oh, yeah, the name, Tajik is Zopa down the Zopagom, which is what's a big culture no duke there in Antajik. Tassaizu on Chingle, Chapulan Valley. Chakpulzane Gomzo Gomzo Kitenang, the Dunbeka, Sosaran Chidichin Tajik, Soshing Stylama Soshigongushin, but the Dunbeka song, Stamachin Soshigongos and Soshin Zangle, tree of accumulation of merit, Soshin Zangle. The Soshin Chimo, the Dunbeka, Gomsana, the Chakpulzane, or Sosu Yaspeka, Sose Abba, the new Yunmeka Sose Amalagongushisino, the Nesusu Dunbeka. Chapul complicated now. So Dow Gomus of Dow was in a Dushmanle. It's a big English thing used. So basically, as you all know, this is the holy month of Sagadawa, and it is, I think, the holiest month for Buddhists. And for the entire duration of this month, we try to accumulate as much good karma as possible and try to abstain from harming animals and sentient beings, and we try to abstain from committing any unwholesome deeds, bad karma, as much as possible, because we believe that this month, everything multiplies manifold. I think it's written that it multiplies 100,000-fold. So we try to be very careful with our conduct. And to accumulate as much merit as possible, I thought it would be good for this month for all of us to do prayers together for the sake of all sentient beings, and not just prayers but also to study a little bit of Shantideva's teachings, classical Nalinda text. And so we are currently in the process of going through the patience chapter, as well as meditation at the end. So I was just going to the reason I chose patience is because I think patience is very necessary these days, because of a lack of tolerance. Lack of tolerance, big proliferation of discrimination, and lack of understanding, lack of compassion. So I think patience is very much needed these days. So that's why I chose the patience chapter, and I was just going through that, because patience is so important. For example, when you prostrate, there are many kinds of visualizations, but the basic, what can I say, the common visualization when you prostrate is to visualize, your guru seated on a big tree in front of you, which we call the tree of accumulation, Dzogchen, accumulation of merit. So your guru is seated on the big tree. Oh, and then the tree is right here. Oh, Dzogchen, oh, yeah. That's one tanka, tree of accumulation. So on that tree, in the center is our root guru in the form of Vajradhara Dorjinchang, and they're surrounded by many, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. The three root, the three jewels, and then the three roots. Anyway, so when you prostrate, we visualize our father to the right and mother to the left, and then in the front of us, prostrating with us, we visualize our enemy prostrating in front of us, facing that side, facing to the front, prostrating together with us. We visualize our enemies. So when I first started to prostrate, it was a bit confusing, because I thought, like, I'm very close to my mom, so why can't I visualize her in front of me? Why do I have to put an enemy in front of me? Koma chakpul zan ngesambale, yespeka aba, yunmeka ama, teni dunbeka, susu dawu borzerachina, teni dawu chipya, borgoshesino, ngara zoshina, amali nyampu nyimuyut, teni amali chipya borngena mazerachina, teni, yezuk, oh, te yamata, chidi chankora, chava teni, zo shunde tikena kote motembu pa, dawu zekanbu, dushman zekanbu, your enemies you should be very grateful to your enemies. They're very important. Because without enemies, without someone to be angry at you, without someone to cause you harm, there is no way you can practice patience. And without practicing patience, there is no way you can complete the paramita, the 6 paramitas. You can be generous to many people. There's so many poor people in the world. There are many different methods of observing moral discipline, sulting. Then there are many different reasons to be diligent, zundu. Then there are many different methods of meditation, and also at the same time there are many different teachings on wisdom. So the 5 you can, but patience is the most difficult, because to practice patience you need someone whom you have not harmed at all, and who harms you without you first causing them harm. So your enemy. Dushman metna ta zupa gumangena nakle. So zupa gumse yulta sashishok mata teni dushman mata jawzir pale. So taji samtu mena zupa gumsiste no mana. Samtu mena ta mina ta zupa gumena manote samtu mena zupa gum jibale mola sola. Oh teni nazo sulki kumparcha mana. Shelang tabi dikpa men zupa tabi ka teve zela nintendo nazo sulki kumparcha chi tapchuste anteni chi dichen. Oh zupa gumsiste no pale. Ta zopa gomse yulbo tene daw mane me kya dushman me kya le jimba tan se yul man po kya le jimba tan se yul po ketena tene zambuli na nyalba chan man po kya so nyalba chan man po kya mishkyum man po kya jimba tan se jimbe pharu de chinya na le tene so sa tsultim ma ta shumches taps man po kya tene tsundus chu chese gumsan man po kya tsundus man po ta chungyan tene so o ya tene na ta gom kya chese taps man po kya sharabe tene na ta lobjong man po tene le you only have your enemies to practice patience. So that is why when you prostrate in front of you, you visualize your enemies and you give bigger importance to your enemies, more importance than your father and your mother. Because without your enemies, you can't practice patience. And without practicing patience, you can't accumulate a lot of good karma. And you can't pay back all the bad karma that you've caused your enemies to become enemies in the first place. You understand? Dawu metna, teni dawu kadin chin monokli. Dawu mina zupa gomsi yul metno. Sombasam dawu metna, teni chidi chimata zupa gomsi tap metnokle. Teni thama samata ashtache muchusteno dawu duna bortenokle. Aba rijaspeka borteno, ama yulmeka borteno. Dunbeka dawu bortenokle. Hawa ama chakpulzane. Tengi chundar samba, marangi amala nimuyut, ababala nimuyut, jawu ma yodamet, dawu mata dumri chive borbolantin. Jawu zekanbo, tene government na mata chi de koran dikpa mata shaspang chu manya na le government na tene mata chi de o isu chi de so pagum yul mette no le so mata tene shkewan majiga ko shuchu kan jaste ko mata do gyute no iskibena ko mata dushman gyute no tene tewa mata chi shaspa juna tewa mata chi chi de o so pagum chi yul bugeten tene do mo me kyan sana le do mo kadin chin mo no zan tene chilo Shantavi dikpa me, zepa tavi katu me, tevi ze la Nintendo nazo sulki kumpar cha, teni sho tsose dikpa me kyang, zopa tsose gewa me kyang, tevi tap minda chi choste nang, tsam nyan nang, zopa gom, multen ghere. Oh ya, tezu sheno. So, stanza number 45. Jibchi shangapa. Sholoka. Jipa dongal minti ching. 다이오 당에 때 정말 컨티뉴이션이 나고래. 다가 단테니 스타치 컴포징 마타 이상한 라송 때문에 다 집주장을 빨리 살때노. 되니 집주자 집주바나 유 컨티뉴이션이 나고. 송바상 유 마타양 드리트 집고 알아 주셨다고 실만한데. 다이테 마타지 로숨스테 돈다고 마타 삼바쿠테 되니 이니 보문트 때마다 되니 스타나 로중초나 이시왈레테니 스타치군 마타 로숨면나 돈다고 마타 하고나 되니 it makes sense mata tonta pojek gutsuano le zemata hagono mani I dring to ta nyana gonya dring chipitu ya isa chik khashik stastana da do tikam nyana gona continue mit pasan isu shikchile chen nyana gona zemshik hago chimanle jesus team samkan so sochen so I always encourage everyone to keep memorizing the root text or at least the meaning of the stanzas of Shantideva's teachings because they're a continuation, of the previous stanzas. So if you do that, then it will make sense. Then today's stanzas will make sense. If you continue from yesterday, if you remember the meanings from yesterday, today's stanzas will make sense. But if you only study today's stanzas, then you would, sometimes it's difficult to make sense. Like, what are you talking about? What does this stanza mean? But this stanza is not isolated. It is part of a chapter. It is part of a story that Shantideva was telling us. So you need to, study the previous stanzas. So that's why I'm always encouraging everyone to memorize the stanzas and to memorize the meanings, Oh yeah. Stanza number 45, first in Ladakhi, then in English. Jiba dongal mindiching, dongal jula kampena, ngebe, rangi, ngebe, nujurpa, jela kundu chichi yu. Oh yeah, jiba dongal mindiching, dongal jula kampena asa. Ta jiba zera chinan dejangi jumoju, jiba zena, chuguzano inches. Hale, teni chuguzano de inang. 이전에 지디체 마다 두고즈르간 뭐 삼바탕 마시스간에 되네 마탕 소스 미나고나 두고즈는래 삼바탕 마시스간 되니지 딕바타간 마나 딕빌라스타간 되니지 게와 마타간 할리 수수셈니스키 푸도테노테 되네 지디체 코랑 랑두르기 닐라 랑두르기 니즈간에 돈다 바마시스는래 고시스포 알락 톱치스포 알락는래 고시스포 스키포노테 인낭 되니 딕파샹카사스 파상 톱치스포 두말 톱테는래 티 하모고간 물론다 치스파 아제랑래 삼바춘탄간 이렇게지진 삼바당 마시스간 투우조스 발레 되니 투우조스 치스파 되는 마다 이리즈 치스파 동안 민두이징 마다 미수치기나 동안 뜻간 수치메캬 인나양 동안 줄라 캠페나 인남 동안리즈규 할레 동안리즈규 되니 딕페가 되니 마땅 치디진다 대가 마땅 딕페라스칸카 조세노 스캄젤라치나 딕페라스페가 착바 용시스 포제스테노클레 이노파 딕라스 봉아탄 착스파 족시 송도레 샤즈다 체슬라 마탄테니 고시스 마탄 동알 고사마노 치스파 동알 민투칭 마탄 동알 고사마노테 동알 용치스 규 오 딕페라스라 마탄 착스파 유테노 동알 규라스 캠페나 스캄제나 착스파자노클레 attached 테니스 페자나 가즈우노즈나 오야 동알 용치스 규 샤즈다체스 심신지게 쇼크차 때문에 마다샤 자마야노 테니테온 파마이노 시켜왕미 마나 스트레라마고네 몰간낭진 라 테네가 다시켜왕미 파마이노 수수랑 직배 파마마노 테네가 다스트레라마고네 파마주서되게 대심신군이 대중 마타테니 동알르규 딕바마탄 착스파르케스노 딕벨라슬라 르준탕체스 미사체스 슈군마르쿠체스 테네 마캬주체스 테네직 셈니 너심 민다 용체스 납심 민다 찌리 용체스 할래 되나 줬라 되니지 로겜 좋체스 되나 줬사 되니지 제디 좀 거랑 스쿨 마르크 체스 만나 되나 줬사지 semchangune shaza chestene changtung se mingye po zingmo dang ches manale so jando chi po chesta dortu stang chi gewa kain dikpa kain de hamago chi chona chi yono se kan ba hamago goshes matanga skit pogo sanote skit pej gyu matang drup mo jogonole skit pej gyu matang gewa wa simba ma chasanole chispa dungal mintiching samba tang ma shes kan minak pang tang sos bunla dungal gosa manote dungal jula champena ina dungal gyu dikpe last te ka mata simba chasanole mira batena dikpe last ka mata tene during this passam dikpe last shes po mata lamo sontinole spejarna tuchunje do ale azixam 두고 춘주도 벌레 두고 춘부 캐잖아 근데 고 맞다 있나서 붙다나 제목 부직 사다 쫓라 집하고는 도와다 쫓라 mana tene palche baje samat ungchimante hale tezu dikpelas bu ko jamjini chik chukanji chundan ko yongchenle skalpa shkewan atan dikpelas bu atan jans pasam komna lawar mingir bi midi kan yumai molka nangjin la tene atan tugu chunjigina putana ko dikpelas bu ko marik chitchin kora churwale geula sujetse kasongchende tu gewachan sambatang shiskan shamazakan pamalar sikuchukan jangjin yongkan butsik skonongchenle jangjin tenichi bortang ko jangjin chik marap chakan dukpo chakan chik dikchan chakan butsik mar yongdole teono pa dikpilas kan mato konspasam teosonte no senole jangi nipe nyujurpa jenla kundi jishi yelo hale teni soso janti tajik natanga la saspejana notpa yonsen mana dik dumal yonkan bo ti dumal yonche sen notpa o chipe yonsen nozena te shkon bo sun nozena shkon bo matan jan nokle agwa matan ra dikpa samkhane jaste jangi nespe soso janeteni nespa dikpa samkhane jaste notpa yonkan bo jen la coin du chishi gyu konzena konzena semba konches shoyonches mana te janma shochisi chipanzana nokle soso janget chipa dumal mindiching so sambatang mashis kane semjan gunga tan sos bugala dungal go samanokte dungal jula campena dungal gyu dikpashkan ka chundus pasam jangi nepe nujurpe tezu dikpasakan nijaste so jang nespe jaste so jang noteno teni te jen la kuin du chichigu teni janma chipe shonsen zesteno english na kare chutum jeje songle bodul bala kana ko chutum jeje songle janale Yajo, stanza number 45. It is the fault of the childish that they are hurt. Childish, mostly in Buddhism, in the Buddhist philosophies, is referred to not children, but childish is referred mostly to ignorant people, right? Ignorant. To those who are ignorant. Ignorant of what? Not ignorant of academic studies, not ignorant of mathematics, not ignorant of how the planets function, or how economy works, or not general knowledge. Ignorant because though we all want happiness, we do not commit the act which brings us happiness, which is benefiting others. Though we don't want suffering, we are attached to the causes which causes suffering, which is unwholesome deeds. It is a fault of the childish that they are hurt. For although they do not wish to suffer, they are greatly attached to its causes. We are attached to the causes of suffering because we are habituated to, to unwholesome deeds. For example, killing, lying. They come naturally, useless chatter. No, because it wastes our time, and also, for example, jealousy. It causes bad karma to be jealous of someone and to have harmful thoughts towards somebody. Yeah, and also, for example, eating meat, because if you eat meat, you can't eat meat without killing an animal, without causing harm to an animal, so on and so forth. So we are attached to the causes of suffering because we are habituated to it. So why should they be angry with others? So when somebody harms us, it is our own fault. It is our own fault that we have committed bad karma, though we don't want bad karma. But because we are attached to the causes of suffering, which is unwholesome deeds, whom should we blame? That's what it means. Number 46. Shivji Jarukpa. pena nyalwe suma tang jalji lome naksal tar rangi leji dishen na kanjilin chorsa tayuzo nokle choseyang ta jik choska tsabik tang sale nyalwe suma zen tene ta jik ngata shiti sting ne ta dyota dembe yutik miruk te inang jik shiti sting ne ta jik semba dikpash kan ka jans pasang irsa tsik bo jivale tene yang izuk lewi jama jine yutik yudle nyalwa zikam da sujus nokle suma chono nyalwe no ko etkan te izuk chi chinkora megun sus parte nokle suchang maspara no te nyalwe no ko etkan te sangyalgya tangyalgya nyekorwa nitsewa yalkam chobget bu suchus no suchang machono I dikjane sembi choste no ziste nokle hawa sembo dikpash kanka jans pasang sembo manpash kanka jans pasang shi testing ne teni nyalwashke kamso shi matan sorti du gele tena teni matanchik izuk chidichin korang las gumdes makhor tsakpa tezuk matan sambaji na matan lustik tukle nyalwe tsorwa tsukshik tsanyalgya na tanyalgya de tsorwa tsukshik nyekorwa na ngitsewe tsorwa tsukshik shizane 미카시 에즈르두바 스페셜 디스먼 미디킨 치민 통선을 레깅도 되고 소포인 제라조스라 시즌에 되니 지 미카시 딕장 가시거든니 이숙스친 로발레 오 다용도 당아 순간용도 당아 주티케도 시게 답받am성만은 나라랑 주티케도 그 상마지 노선은 열외숨마 신지 추결이 되니 욕보 족스포 신지군 소알레 신지 추결이 라스미군 고즈나 되니 자멘고 야게고 싱게고 스탕게고 줄리고 셈션은 고 직스포션 오친모 속스포친모 뭐네 코랑 속스포친모레 하고 되니 직 스톱쉽잖아 되는 마땅히 줌 세큐리티 동인지는 많이 그런 알리아도가 단 캐치만 봐래 줌인지는 베르중인지는 캐치만 봐래 만나 거리는 그거 주스들 때문에 주스 캐치만 갖다서 근데 캐치만 쉽게 짐바 딱스데 라파테니 작독 딱스데 핫거리 딱스데 만나 샤페칭스데 오 되는 많이 그런 작규 딱스데 작규 딱스 꾸스경스데 많이 그런 작빈지는 꾸쭈꾸링 단지는 주때더니 멜베슈마고는 같은 멜베나 주때 티케라는 오거잖아 또 세미나 대숙시 디파스캠 카사스 파산 대숙시 소라용 되게 벨나 멜베슈마 당 되는 스페셜나 멜베슈마 자리로메 나살 전에 되는 마다 멜베는 고양 니코르웨 이쪽에 이쪽이 인티규들래 니코르 멜바시 인티규 자리로메 나살잖아 되는지 오 멜베는 고가 대숙시 멜감 저기서 저게 가와더니 정글 친구지나 다시 원에 나오죠 정글지나 그 정글 부케트나 머리가 정글 톡몰레 달사 미치스 까니 까로 로마스케 까니 까로 장마스케 까니 다서 디피처 그는 의미로 대 사우스 아메리카에 아마존 저거는 정글 그는 의미로래 대주 시스템은 양데 당들의 아마존 저래 쇼핑을 같아서 보 쇼핑이 더 주스만이야 유 아마존 부케트나 덴베 사우스 아메리카 브라질랑 아르헨티나랑 데네 페루랑 때가 여기까지 대 정글 친구잖아 볼래 대고는 이런 거는 TV나 직시도 정말 통목가 좀 볼래 다서대 에주게 봐 BBC 군은 나스타나 미로 TV 군은 내셔널 지오그래픽 군은 나스타나 미로래 계속 정말 통면은 거 로마군 좀 볼래 많이 그런 스포츠게 좀 까니 까르시게 좀 많이 그런 스포츠를 로마만 볼래 되네 다서 맥게래 스톰파만 맥게 다 저리로면 나서 지르잖아 뒤주 장아지시게 하는 되네 딕파사카네 자스테 다테카 로마 오케트나 테니 다상아 다스창메 로마 소스마노글레 테오 켈테나 스푸티 제나 테니 나다 스푸트 아치세 조 블레이드 미라 쉐빙 블레이드 로마 상 블레이드 소스레 로마 상 티 소스레 잘디 로메나사 제노글레 테니 로마 상메 카마네 코란 티 소스라 제이 소스라 블레이드 소스라 테수크마니 열가차네 조 나사체 모게레 포레스트 대수신 하시잖아요. 베나냐르 슈마당, 냐르 슈마, 냐르와 tid간에 대신지 주게를 슈마군, 양나 냐르는 거 냐르감 주게되는 거 스페셜나 잘리누메 낙살자간 거 장기 레긴 디스키나 모티미로 소소랑의 라스 난파자스카네 자스테 소소랑의 라스 난파초카네 자스테 할레 오 이족 유스케스테노 팔레 덴비 그런 미시 쳤으면 올래 미식 sonste koy jartum bilet jere kurte teka chamar extes chameka bilet taxte jai taxte jartum teka jai jogun dina te kostekseman ol래 jangi lekin diskena multito susurang itene lasnan pasakane jaste dikpasakane jaste teka shkesten ol래 tegun drupsten ol래 tegun tonten ol래 tegun sorten ol래 강실원이 투어자 열리는 거시께서는 계속 동할 영상이 미유라 요전에 동할 영상이 수수랑이 라스만 빠져가는 자스티 대상 어떤세는 혹시겠지는 수어쇼 준지는 강실은 좋아자 소소 노트파스칼칸에 두르만에 집에 쇼준래 제제는 니 자스티 코이 니 라스금 디스코르테노 코이가 노트파조스테노 그래 열리는 거시께서는 소소치 두포 찾아는 열리는 거 마시는 미유라 마탄치 두포 찾아는 소소랑이 라스만 빠더니 때가 지신 동할 고사 მეტ남 동할한테는 동할 라스페가 동할 주 딕페가 semba chang dus pasan dik pas kan ka chu dus pasan 소소랑에 주스는 벌레 지시근이 베시버니 세리미로 소소랑에 사원 딱간 부 소소랑에 조스는 걸레 하나 딜로 똑보 데니스티니 강실은 조르자 소소 조스는 데스는 걸레 소소 랑기 라스킨 디스킨나 소소 라시 조간에 저스테 제마스 비르 준데스는 걸레 stanza number 46. Just like the guardians of the hell worlds and the forest of razor sharp leaves. Okay, now this may sound a little bit scary, but actually it is, part of the Buddhist teachings, because in the Buddhist teachings, we believe in samsara, and samsara has many different realms, and one of those realms is what we call, the worst realm, where nobody actually wants to go, is hell realm. So in Buddhism, hell realm, in the higher teachings of the Buddha, hell realm is not physically situated somewhere. Hell realm is not created somewhere. Hell realm is merely a projection of your, your disturbed mind, a projection of your defiled mind. And this is a very good example. Just like the guardians of the hell worlds. So, in the hell realm, after you die, you might perceive yourself being born in a very hot place. In the hot place or in a very cold place, depending on the kind of bad karma that you have accumulated while you are alive. So, in those realms, there are what you will perceive, the guardians. The guardians of the hell worlds, and they look like animals. They have their heads are like animals, of scary animals. Oh, and then their bodies are huge, like human beings, and they are they're breathing fire, and they're very powerful, and they are, they are almost invincible. You cannot run away from them. You cannot bribe them. Yeah, you can't just slip a 500 rupees note into their pocket, and you can't just escape towards the human realm. So, that's what he's talking about. Just like the guardians of the hell worlds, and the forest of razor-sharp leaves. Again, it is one of the hell realms. It is an example. There is a mentioning that when you commit a lot of bad karma, and you might be reborn in this place, which is like an Amazon forest. If you've seen videos of the Amazon forest in Brazil, mostly, right? And you see how dense it is, right? How dense it is. This one is even more denser. Yeah, not denser, but dense, more dense. And the leaves are not made of the tree leaves. They're made of razor sharp, like blades. They're made of like knives. They're made of blades, very sharp blades. And you have to walk through the forest, and your body will cut all over the place, and you will suffer so much. Or is this suffering produced by my actions? With whom, therefore, should I be angry? So, Shantideva, according to the Mahayana teachings, there's one verse, which I don't have it right now. He says that who created these hell realms? Who created the cold realms? Who created these razor-sharp leaves? Forest that is full of razor-sharp leaves. No one. It is produced by my own actions, my own bad actions, harming others. And it is produced by this defiled, disturbed mind. So if you commit a lot of bad karma, I guess the mental imprint, of all these bad karmas, after you die, maybe you perceive such a state, like razor-sharp leaves. Maybe you perceive these guardians of the hell world, I don't know, maybe after I die, I will send you a note, and I'll tell you, be careful, please. But we don't need that, because the Buddha Shakyamuni, he has been reborn many times. He has been to hell realm many times. He has experienced hell realm many times. So he knows exactly what he's talking about. And not only Buddha, but lots of, other great beings. So they have written in the text. They have warned us. They have been reborn many times. And because of their, good karma, because of their meditation, because of the power of the mind, they have the power of recollection. So they recollected what they saw in the past life. So they reminded us. They tell us, you will not see it now, but be careful. Because if your mind gets habituated to unwholesome deeds, to harming others, to harming animals, to harming your fellow human beings, to harming the environment, if you always indulge yourself in bad actions, after you die, you will be so confused that you will be experiencing a forest full of razor sharp leaves. You will be experiencing being dragged, being hooked, being slashed, being cut, being burnt by guardians of the hell world. Yeah, Joe, 47. 다기 레지 꿀제네 달라 뇌제 남중대 대인이 심진 냥동나 다기 대다 말아감 다지 오야 양가 다스가 주고 살래 잉글리시 글다스가 지경 일다봐 바바 츠비츠비야 모션에 그 영실 버츠 고르두글레 냐주 다기 레지 꿀제네 달라 뇌제 남중대 dak상아 노빠 쪽간네 다우군 nga sho chokani migun nga notpa chokani daugun mana nga izuk notpa yongches I bala parchet gun I nanches I dukches I zumo ino pata suspension mi mampoji ga chik zumo ji yonsene bashkam tanse tene goma lama ji yosa chano chakmoji top zanokle doctor pano amchi pano top zanokle tene je doctor sa chano tene amchi sa chano tene gaskuri mampo chonokle mana kate zane teo sambata mano pa changkang mete lama ken mane korong TikTok yotpin 장에서 매 많이 많이 그런 적중에 불가니 아니 뭐 교화전이 무슨 뭐 가수시 아니래 치기도 덤비 그런 재미지도 그런 게라요 덤비 그런 게라요 되잖아 말로만 쇼스바 게렌즈로 볼래 이스키는 거 쇼스바 게라요나 시켜만 말라 기보다 그수시대 라스 김데스가 너한테 바로서 주고시스 같이는 볼래 독보전대 통하지는 라스 김데스가 바로서 맨칸처럼 볼래 대전에 선bat던 것 볼래 Kishkewangan ma matandik pasasukya. Tindik pitas bus minka nijaste. Iskewin no kuwa gewa matanji gewa chokan mi gazi yut nam. Shkewangan no matante. Chik lasi smin shichase no kle. Ilte mucho se chos majona. Ilte mucho se matante ni chik o chiri chinkuram jandan majona. Semshana matantarum no toshkal chespo mata matangna. Shaza ches laso peteni matantik pilas po mata matangna. Sange shakete pe lamika majuna. Tene matarsawe lama guni tene kaloguni ka majuna. Ole tene ko shkewangan ma chichos yut nam. Mane te iskewin na ko chikela yut nam. Shkewangan me izupo. Last man pe izupo smin chichase no pole. So 다기 리지 꿀세니 니스케왕한 나사카네 라스 디파이 라시 스쿨 마추스테 달라 미세 남중테 마나 인노 파초카네 마 다사 인노 파초카네 니미제노 파초스카 소 니미제노 파초스카 텐노 파초카네 다스부스 민카네 자스테 이스케베나쿠가 미지마 노 파초스테노 하고 먹고 데니 심지 냐동나 오 데니 심지 냐동나 다기 대다 말아감 데니 수수랑이스 개왕하는 미전마저 높아시켜스 이스케베나 구가 코에 나타나 높아지시켜스 맞다 코에 딕바지안사스 마나 마테 코아 높아시켜스 다기 리치 스쿨제니 개왕은 뱅아타 라스 나파사카네 스쿨 마초카네 저스티 달라 뮤제 남중테 이스케베나 구가 소소 높아초칸 군 용스테노 데니 심지 냐동나 데니 나타 높아 이스케베나 구가 소소 높아초칸 베 코랑 마다 높아초칸네 저스티 테심샨보 녀베나 구가 차나 Mano, start busuju, start matan juste no pa. Dagi te dam malakam. Tene ngatan khungula. Not pashkalte mano. Lak zena ngatan metkan juste mano. Ngatan khunguna not pashkalte mano le. Te juste no le. Gochuk chipo ngatan juste no. Tik pashkan ka chondus pasan last gum discorte no le. Iski bin naku waske wangan metene last gum dashi korzani miji ngatan not pa juste no le. Chona not pa juste mano. Tete not pa chokane juste koyam tik pasase no le. So Teti pasakane jaste, mati jaste kosemshene, tesemshenbo, nyelvena kosonte no. Tene mata chipanta, tarum zupa magoma, tarum mata ko shuchun. Kui mata no iskivena ko not pachokane jaste, kui nyelvena ko chashichese no. Tarum mata ko yetu macho, zupa magoma, yung mata konspasal, shaspasal, mane mafizumste, chus macho, iskanyam pujumste, milujum pucheseka, lak machoga, lestor machoga, shishi sapangantanchi gewaye sakste, ata niskatene chik, chuspaji gyurinsum, tezuk masama, tarum ma shuchun, tarum zimbo 대속 저는 되는 마땅히 고다시 교회에서 왔을 맞고 열매는 고차시 쳤어요. 하나 다른 마땅 거쇼 저는 까는 디긴 못는 하고 먹을래. Okay, so number 47, quite interesting. Having been instigated by my own actions, those who cause me harm come into being. So in Buddhism, obviously, we believe in karma, which is basically cause and effect, right? So you commit a wholesome deed, you experience happiness. You commit unwholesome deed, you experience suffering. There is a law of nature which we call karma. Karma is not like, someone living in the sitting in the clouds, keeping account. There are some songs, I think, can't remember, by Lady Gaga or something like Karma Kids, karma keeps receipts or something, So there is no one actually. Some people say that karma is a bitch and stuff like that. But no, we can't personalize karma. The thing is that, in the West, I think, I guess maybe people who have a wrong conception of karma, they personalize, they humanize, they godify, they deify karma. But karma is basically just like the sun rising and sun setting. It is a law of nature. Nothing to do with anyone sitting up there with a pen, unlimited, ink, unlimited number of paper, or very fast fingers, typing everything. Today you killed someone, today you ate some meat, today you stole, today, he can't. There's no one, it's impossible. It's just a law of nature. That's something the Buddha discovered and he taught us. That's all karma is, cause and effect. Anyway, having been instigated by my own actions, having initiated, this cycle of causing harm to someone, those who cause me harm come into being. So I've harmed someone. In the past life, I must have done something, so that in this life, somebody is here to harm me as a result of the karma. If by these actions, they should fall into hell, because I've harmed them, and then they are harming me in this lifetime, and they are also, committing bad karma. So if they go into hell because of me, because I initiated it, I instigated it, surely isn't it I who am destroying them? Who is the bad person here? So instead of being patient at your, enemies, at your foes, we can't harm them even more. We should actually, explain to them how the cycle of karma works, how to break this cycle of harming us, harming them, harming us, harming them, being reborn in samsara all the time, to break this cycle. Yeah, that is why it's good to be patient. And it will immediately break the cycle. And then you sit down, you talk. And then you maybe, I don't know, you do some practice, I guess. Yeah, that's what it means. We instigated it. We caused harm to someone. So there is someone who is angry to us, who is harming us. Now we need to break the cycle by being patient. No, we don't. And somebody is harming us. So that bad karma can cause that person to be reborn in a lower state, in a bad state after his death, her death. So instead of helping them, you're already almost subjugating them towards a lower realm because of your past actions. So instead of helping them, instead of being patient, we can't harm them. Shantideva, honestly, I think I've read quite a few Buddhist texts, classical, modern, but still, Shantideva's poetry, it really blows my mind. And the interesting thing, English, the interesting thing is that Shantideva, he was known as Busuku. I think Busuku was a Sanskrit term, a very, derogatory term, a very bad word for someone like who, I think, eats, walks, and sleeps, or, uses the toilet a lot. So basically a lazy person who just eats, sleeps, goes to the toilet. Again, that kind of a person was called Busuku. So Shantideva was called Busuku because from outer appearance, he appeared to be a very lazy person. But because he had already seen Manjushri when he was young, he was already receiving direct teachings from Manjushri himself. So in his room, he was already enlightened. He didn't need to practice. So that's why I think, these are like words of an enlightened master. And you can literally see they're so well written and they make so much sense. And I think more than that, they are very clever arguments to convince us to improve ourselves. Yaju, Jipchi Shabgetpa, then Dilani, Tinjin, Zubeta, the Mountain Jandala, then Dilani, Yuring Tungal, Nyalwar, Dons, the Oh, Tenita you Manikoram, Jivali Zukalugun, Mazamutukju, Chejunata Manikoram, is the special bunch of stars in Tina, Tenanita, something attaching Chichunkoram, Itu Young Chase, Itu Tamajo wishes in Ote, in Nachik, Samamatani, Itu Lushik, Hale, Namina Panchishik, the Manikoram, Nyang of the Moon, Buddhiskan, Gumsanchan, Tontachan, 아마 샤딩에 지시 이수만의 거랑 지리진 거랑 갈롭자 모군 게트는 준주기 지발에서 되는 준주 조심만 가서 보여줘서 말할래 이거 직상 스페셜나 디다 라니 텐진이 zupe 다디 망돈장 소다 디다 제나테니 이군 제스는 수군의 제스는 소소노 빠조카니 더군의 제스는 이군 스텐테 디다라네 스텐체스니 이군 스탄테 zupe 다디 망돈장 tening zopa gumkane jaste ni dikpa zopa gumkane jaste dagi dikpa mangpuji jano metkan chano uste no kle agwa inam ya joshin se ko fiji tun jos I semshan gunla khona stente nge zopa gumkane karte zopa gumkane jaste dikpa mangpujang yana no ngote no kle dala teni tedani matang에 콩아스텐테 조파금스 디파만 보장스 콩에 마땅아스텐테 할레 다나 텐니 테다니 유링 동알 냐르버 동잔 할레 테네 콩에 마땅아스텐테 콩은 유링 무지 냐르베는 거가 차노 산올레 마땅나 다스 이상만 주가 나진라 마땅스케 왕은 콩은 노치스케알스 마나 무티시가 다카 콩은 때가 다마터는 조파금에 조파금스테 콩은 아직 하고지 땅세 툰데 마두나 테네 콩이 마땅했을 때 다나 때네 대단히 유리동을 연관 동 테네 콩은 쇼용 거네 just 마땅 노파스kel 거네 just 열리는 거 차노 그선 헬레 송바상 테네 조파금 각산이 노 할레 되어주스는 거야 by depending upon them I purify many transgressions by patiently accepting the harms that they cause so if somebody harms you, if you're patient, it will purify a lot of many previous transgressions, previous bad karmas. But in depending upon me, but if you, because you exist, because of your own past karma, because of your own past actions, which you have harmed them, they are harming you. So, because of you, but in depending upon me, they will fall into hellish pit for a very long time. So it's Shantideva was saying like you should be patient. Maybe you should communicate, with the person who is causing you harm, and maybe introduce them to Shantideva's teachings or the teachings of the Buddha. Create a peaceful and meritorious society, what we call Sangha. Yeah. So you actually befriend your foes by practicing patience. Prevent them from going into the lower realms. Yeah, because of your own existence, because of your own past karma. Right? And if you practice patience, it will purify our transgressions. So help them also to purify their transgressions, their bad karmas. Basically, that's what it's meaning. So yeah, it's good to memorize the words, or at least the meanings of the stanzas, so that you can continue. So like today, if you remember the meanings and the words, tomorrow things will make more sense because it's a continuation. Tomorrow is again a continuation. But I can't teach 10, 18 stanzas, 20 stanzas per day. It will take a long time. So I can only go through 4 by 4 every day. Yeah, 4 stanzas per day. So I have no option but to break them down, So I apologize sometimes if it's confusing for you guys. You might be thinking, what is it talking about? What does this mean? It doesn't make any sense. It's because we haven't continued continuously, the particular section of this chapter. Yeah, June. So that's that. And today, let me try to remember. Tajik Sambik Tanchwazadli Ka Ngata Izukpu. Daring chosu chispo chichin daring approach kan bo. Yeah. Izugin bale. Tashir get ba. Sixu chepa. Then in Hanshinam Tazakan, but then in Gurumbuji Sidusol, then in Musasanges, then Izukle. Yeah, Shmoa. So, during Tegunin, then in Tadasaikan name. Time but Serena Mr. Padichimurukle. Time Boshmana Minijip gets on Sarto. Stop just an Yashkachik, is just an yell. She has a nice silly skill. Sarchana is a time but search and young military, but the man silly skill special on the Sangano and the Josepoli. I can time but Saratna, can touch check the minute cashing minute Joshiman a second, drawing Shumul. I was the terminate chachara khale so basan dasan yu chek izupo off chain tenya lox on chain ya sam lox shkeda zat tenya ngata idri chospo asilin teni meditation bujane ya cho